We're standing in the Yunque Rainforest, located in northeastern Puerto Rico. It is mid-July and the temperature is around 85 degrees Fahrenheit. However, with the humidity, the real feel is about 92 degrees Fahrenheit. It is hot and damp. The ground is very slippery. El Yunque is considered a wet rainforest and receives nearly 200 inches of rain per year. This is because it is located where the moist trade winds blow onto the island from the warm Caribbean and drop their moisture. Conversely, there is a dry rainforest on the opposite side of the island called Guanica, which gets only about 30 inches of rain. The two rainforests are located only 75 miles apart, but are vastly different due to the diverse terrain of Puerto Rico. In this wet rainforest, you see what could be considered stereotypical rainforest plants. Vegetation grows very quickly here and is in constant competition for sunlight. Look at the tall trees throughout the landscape reaching up for sunlight. They are green all year long, and very few leaves fall to the ground, unlike the once per year leaf drop experienced in the temperate zone. In the temperate zone, the massive leaf drop is followed by cold temperatures, which slow decomposition. This results in a large addition of nutrients and organic matter to the soil. In the tropics, there is a continuous leaf drop with rapid, continuous decomposition. Any nutrients that are released are immediately taken up by other life forms. This results in poor soil with low organic matter content, and few nutrients return to the soil. Poor soil and rapid growth means the trees have very shallow roots. The shallow roots are not a problem since they don't have to grow deeply to access water, as there is plenty of moisture all around. Look at the bases of the trees. Notice they widen near the ground. That is called a buttressed trunk. The buttressed trunks provide stability and support to prevent trees from falling over from the shallow roots, thin soils, and the added weight of epiphytes. Epiphytes are plants that grow on other plants, such as orchids and bromeliads. Also notice there are very few bushes and low-hanging limbs. You won't be climbing many trees here. However, there is an abundance of moss. Rainforests are often called the lungs of the planet because of their lush vegetation. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which all living things rely on for survival. They host incredible amounts of plants and wildlife and are a great place for research. Listen to the sounds. Do you hear a high-pitched whistling? That is the coqui frog, which is barely the size of a thumbnail but can be heard above all else in the forest. The coqui frog is the symbol of Puerto Rico. One thing you don't even know you don't see is mosquitoes. There is a large population of bats in the El Yunque Rainforest, which feed on mosquitoes and other insect populations. The damp rainforest also hosts many other life forms. In Puerto Rico, this includes snails, lizards, and many insects.